Hello ladies and gentlemen, Devon from DCON here, and I'm very excited to be unboxing Astell Kern's first desktop speakers from their ACRO lineup. The ACRO lineup is Astell Kern's new desktop audio line, and these are the S1000 model. These are stereo speakers and are unique in that the main driver and tweeter are from Scanspeak. Scanspeak is a Danish speaker company, and as far as I'm concerned, these are the first retail speakers to include their components. As we can see, we have some light branding on the outer box. Removing the cover, and we find the two speakers wrapped in a nice cloth cover. The speakers are very heavy as they are completely made of an aluminum alloy. There's a method to this madness, however, and I will cover that in my review. Just rest assured they are made of high quality materials and they look absolutely stunning. As I remove the cover, you'll see the bottom of the speakers have 4 small rubber feet to allow for traction on your desk. Let's unwrap the last speaker real quick, and I'll quickly go over the components that make up the speaker. These speakers have a 2-inch mid-range driver and a 3/4 inch tweeter, both of which are Scanspeak components. As you can see, the sides have this ribbed serrated plate. As we go around back, we have our gold-plated speaker posts and a small rear port for the low-end production. Setting the speakers aside, let's take a look at what else remains in the box. We have our warranty information disclosing the 1-year warranty on the speakers. And lastly, we have a quick start guide. Well, that's a wrap for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please send me your likes. If you enjoy my content, send me your subs. And as always, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.